Removes all the poop from the colon, and reduces inflammation in the belly. He gets rid of constipation by drinking this super powerful shake. He removes the peel from 2 carrots. Chop the carrots. Pour the 2 carrots into the blender. Pour a little water. Let it beat for 1 or 2 minutes. Strain the carrot juice. Remove the peel from half a papaya. Cut in pieces. Take 2 bananas and remove the peels. Cut the bananas into slices. Pour the carrot juice into the blender. The papaya is cut into pieces, and the banana pieces.